Hello, everyone. If you are studying IGCSE Computer Science 0478 Paper 1, this video series will help you revise each topic more easily. We'll go through chapters 1 to 6, practice questions like those from the past papers. This will help you understand the types of questions you will see in the exam and how to answer them. These videos are designed to support your learning, build your confidence, and help you to get best grades you can. So let's get started and make your revision count. In this session, we'll be covering past paper questions on the key topics such as structure of data packet, packet switching, and method of data transmission. So let's get started. Topic 11, the structure of a data packet. Question 88. The data packets are transmitted across a network from one computer to another computer. Describe the structure of a data packet. So data packet has three things. First, it has a header. Then it has the payload, and third one, it has a trailer. Question 89. A customer, Sarah, is browsing an online store to purchase a book. Her computer A, sends a request to the website's homepage to the store server. The request is sent using packet switching. The structure of a data packet includes a packet header, identify two items of data that would be contained in the packet header. So in the packet header, we have a sender IP address, receiver IP address, we have the packet number, and also we have the error detection method. Question 90. A network data packet is structured into different sections. State the name of the component within a data packet that contain the actual data being transmitted. So that is payload. Question 91. A network transmits data using packets. Each packet consists of a header, payload, and trailer. The header contains information about source and the destination of the packet. The payload contains the actual data being transmitted. Identify two items of data that would be contained in the packet trailer. So the packet trailer contains error detection data, error correction data, cyclic, redundancy check value, and checksum value. Topic 12, packet switching. Question 93. Explain how the file is transmitted using packet switching. The file is divided into smaller parts called packets. Each packet is given a sequence number and the destination address. The packets are sent individually across the network. The packet can travel along different routes. At the destination, the packets are reassembled in the correct order using the sequence numbers. Error checking is performed and any damaged or missing packet are requested. Question 94. Draw a diagram to show how packet switching is used to transmit data across a network. So here's a simple diagram. You have a device A, device B, and in between you have different routers. Okay. Topic 30, methods of data transmission. Let's first discuss the question related to the serial versus parallel. Question 97, computer A needs to be directly connected to a router that is located in a different room. Identify whether serial data transmission or the parallel data transmission is more suitable for this connection. Explain the reason for your choice. So if we choose the serial data transmission, here are the reasons. So data arrives in order, it is sent, less likely to experience interference, and can transmit over a long distance. If you choose the parallel, so faster transmission speed than the serial, data is skewed during the transmission and very long connection is not needed. Question 98. A student is designing a system to transmit data between two components within a computer. The student is considering using parallel data transmission instead of serial data transmission. State two benefits of the student using parallel data transmission. Number one, data can be transmitted faster. Number two, several bits are transmitted simultaneously. Number three, higher bandwidth. Number four, less chances of data collision. Question 99, a student uses a mobile phone to take photographs of a school project. The student needs to transmit the photographs to their computer. They could use serial data transmission or the parallel data transmission to transmit the photographs. Describe how the photographs would be transmitted using serial data transmission. The bits are sent one after another. The bits are sent along single data channel. Each bit is sent sequentially in a stream, and the bits are reassembled into bytes at the destination. Question 100. A wildlife photographer is using a remote camera to capture images in a national park. The camera transmits the captured photographs back to the photographer's base camp. Gave two benefits of transmitting the photographs using serial data transmission. So number one, data won't be skewed. Number two, less chances of errors. Number three, transmission speed is adequate. Number four, require fewer wires. Number five, can transmit data over long distance. Question 101, parallel data transmission. So you need to draw a diagram for the parallel data transmission. So here is a diagram, device A, device B, and you have multiple wires connecting those two devices. So multiple bits of data are transmitted at the same time along multiple wires. Question 102, serial data transmission. So each bit of data is transmitted one at a time along a single wire. So it has a single wire and the data is transmitted one bit at a time. Now let's discuss the question related to the simplex, half duplex, and the full duplex. Question 104. Omar is a manager in an office. The data that he uses on a daily basis is stored on a file server close to his computer. Data is sent from his computer to the file server using parallel simplex data transmission. Describe how the data is sent using parallel simplex data transmission. So multiple bits of data are sent simultaneously, and data transmission is only in one direction from the computer to the file server. Question 105. 6 statements are given about method of data transmission. Tick to show if each statement applies to serial simplex, parallel half duplex, or serial duplex data transmission. Some statements may apply to more than one data transmission. So let's see the first statement. Bits are transmitted along a single wire. So this is single wire with simplex and serial duplex. Next is data is transmitted in both directions. So that is what is a half duplex and full duplex. Next one is it's only suitable for the distance less than 5 meters. So that is what parallel simplex and parallel half duplex. Bits from the same bytes are transmitted one after other. So that's serial. So serial simplex and serial duplex. Next statement is data may not arrive in the correct sequence. So that is parallel simplex and parallel half duplex. Last statement is data is transmitted in both directions, but only one direction at a time. So that's the half duplex. Okay. Question 106. The file server is moved to another building that is 1 kilometer away. Explain why the parallel simplex data transmission method that Umar uses is no longer suitable. The parallel is not suitable for the long distance. Parallel cables are not manufactured above approximately 5 meters. So data could become skewed if you use it more than 5 meters. Okay. Question 107. A small weather station in a remote location needs to transmit sensor data, temperature, humidity, wind speed back to the central research lab. The station has limited power and a single communication channel. Gave two benefit of the company using the serial half duplex data transmission for this purpose. So number one, bits will not be skewed. Number two, less chances of errors. Number three, less interference. Number four, data can be sent over long distance. Number five, it is possible to download and upload data to the web server. Number six, higher bandwidth than the full duplex. Question 108. A small factory uses serial half duplex data transmission to send data from a sensor on the factory floor to the computer in the office. Gave one drawback of the company using serial half duplex data transmission for this purpose. Transmission of the data may be relatively slow. Number two, data cannot be sent and received at the same time. Number three, maybe more data collision. And number four, it can cause delay compared to the full duplex transmission. Question 109. A technician is troubleshooting a communication issue between two devices in a factory. The devices needs to exchange data, but only one can transmit at a time. Draw and annotate the diagram to show how the data is transmitted between two devices using serial half duplex data transmission. So here is a diagram. So you have device A and device B, and a single wire is used to send data one bit at a time. Data can be sent to and from the web server, but not at the same time. Okay, so bits being sent one at a time, bits being sent over a single wire. Data can be sent to and received from devices not at the same time. Question 110. Simplex data transmission. So here is a diagram showing simplex data transmission. Okay, so you have one device, another device, and one device can send data in only one direction. Question 111. Half duplex data transmission. So this is a diagram showing half duplex data transmission. If data is being transmitted from device A to device B, then the data cannot be transmitted from device B to device A at the same time. Similarly, if the data is being transmitted from device B to device A, then data cannot be transmitted from device A to device B at the same time. Here's a diagram for the full duplex data transmission. So data can be sent and received from both devices at the same time.